How to fix iCloud sync issues in iOS 18.1. Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll guide you through fixing iCloud sync issues on iOS 18.1. Follow these steps to get things back on track. Let's get started. First, open Settings and tap on your Apple ID at the top. Once in the Apple ID settings, select iCloud and ensure the toggle switches for the data you want to sync, like photos, notes, etc., are enabled. And tap on Manage Storage. If storage is full, consider upgrading your plan or freeing up space. Go back to the settings, tap on General. Once in the General, head to the Software Update. If an update is available, install it to ensure compatibility with iCloud. Most of the time, updates resolve most of the issues. In the settings, go to Battery and toggle off low power mode, as it may restrict background syncing. Go to Home Screen, hold the power and volume, and turn off your iPhone. Now restart the device. And there you go. Hopefully, by following these steps, you should be able to fix iCloud sync issues on iOS 18.1. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.